Hey strollers, this is yours Jordan doing another video. Today's video is going to be a unboxing and review of the 2016 Chevrolet Camaro Avengers Edition. Can you comment down below which superhero owns this car and drives it in the movies? It is pretty obvious by the paint scheme and livery. I'll give you 5 seconds to comment down below who it is. And whoever gets it right, well, their prize will be me commenting saying that it's correct in the comments below. Now, let's start by unboxing this car. And this is difficult. $100. There we go. There we go. It is unboxed. And I had to save this box because this car is for my mom. But she let me do a unboxing and review of this car on my channel. So thank you, Mom Strolling with Jordan. Now we put the box to the side and get ready for the review part. Alright, on to the review. This particular car is the SS version of the car. How you can tell is that there is a wing on the back of the car. On normal Camaros, there is no wing on it. This particular car and all Camaro SS's are equipped with the LT1 Chevy Corvette V8 engine. This particular car has some pretty cool gold rims. Let me show you them closer. And this one. The doors on this particular car do open like that. The 0 to 60 time on this Camaro is 4 seconds for the automatic transmission. For the manual version, it is 4.3 seconds, 0 to 60. And 60 to 0 stopping time is 4.3 seconds. It has 455 horsepower and 455 foot-pounds of torque. I am not so sure about the top speed of this or any Camaro SS, as it did not tell me on when I researched it online. So that is going to be it for this video, strollers, and I hope you guys are liking the new name I'm calling you, because when I was calling you wheelers, it was actually saying, hey losers, which is not, nobody wants to be called a loser. So from now on, I'm calling you strollers. But that is going to be it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment down below what you think of this car review, and did you guess who drives this Camaro SS? I hope you did, because I'll be checking it in the comments if you got it right. If you're new to this channel and want to become a stroller today, you just click that subscribe button and you're subscribed to my channel. And it would be greatly appreciated if you subscribe to my channel, as I am still trying to grow this channel. Currently, we are at 170 subscribers as of this video. Please share this video with one of your friends so that they can watch this video and guess who is the driver and owner of this car. And With that being said, strollers, this is your host Jordan, signing off.